Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is related to properties of properties of vector addition. So number first property that we are going to decide is that vector addition is distributive. Vector addition is distributive. What do you mean by that? For example, if we are having some let we are having some number n and it is multiplied to the sum of the vector a plus vector b. Now by distributive, that means we have to distribute it a as well as b, so we can put it n times a vector plus n times b vector. For example, if n is 10, it is a vector plus b vector, so it is 10 times the vector a plus 10 times the vector b. So you can say this thing is called as what? Distributive. Whatever number we are having, whether positive or negative, it is distributed to both. Second is, which is important, that commutative. Vector addition is commutative in nature. Commutative. What do you mean by commutative? By commutative we mean that is, if vector a plus vector b, that must be equal to vector b plus vector a. Vectorly we have to show it out that vector a plus vector b is equal to vector b plus vector a. For that very purpose I will consider here this vector a, this is here vector b. Now I will complete the parallelogram by having a parallel side to this as well as a parallel side like this. It is p, q, r and s. Now we're having, as this side is parallel to this, then this will be again b vector. As this side is parallel to this, then this will be again a vector. So now drawing a diagonal, this very diagonal gives the resultant. Now in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, what we have? We have PQ vector plus QR vector equals to PR vector. So PQ is simply vector A plus QR, that is vector B, equals to PR vector. Now put it first. Now in triangle PSR, in triangle PSR, we have PS vector plus SR vector, because those two very vectors are having same order. Listen, the tail of vector A is connected to the head of vector B. So this vector and this vector, they are having same order. This equals to the diagonal vector, which gives the resultant of 2, that is PR vector again. Now PS equals to vector B plus vector A equals to what? PR vector. From first and second we can say A vector plus B vector equals to B vector plus A vector. That is, vector addition is commutative in nature. Now there is one another thing that we have to show, that is vector addition is associative in nature. Third property, that's called as associative. By associative we mean that vector A plus vector B plus vector C equals to vector A plus of vector B plus vector C. We have to show it out. This very thing we have to show it out, this very thing, if we are going to calculate, then we can prove that vector addition is associative nature. So by associative nature, we have to show it out like this. If we are having this as a vector, this is vector A, now this is vector B, and this is vector C. Vector A, vector B, vector C, and then this is the closing vector, which gives the resulted by diagonal law of vectors. Let this be P, this will be Q, this will be R, and this will be S. Now what we have to show first? We have to show vector A plus vector B plus vector C equals to what? Equals to A plus B plus C. Let's first join this very diagonal to this. So now we can show in triangle. Now in triangle P Q R, what we are having? We have PQ vector plus QR vector is equal to what? PR vector. Why PR vector? Because PR vector is having the opposite order of that of PQ and QR. PQ and QR having the same order. So this very vector is the sum of two, that is vector A plus vector B is equal to what? PR vector. Now in triangle PRS, in triangle PRS, what we have? PR vector plus RS vector, that is PR vector plus RS vector. Now it's simply equals to PS vector, which implies how much is PR? That is vector A plus vector B. Is it so? Plus vector C is equal to simply PS vector. So vector A plus vector B is equal to simply plus vector C is equal to PS vector. Now again in this very triangle, we can in this looking towards the figure, if I will join this and this and putting it like this, can I say in triangle QRS B plus C is equal to this? Now in triangle QRS, what we have? We have QR vector plus RS vector is equal to what? QS vector, which implies how much is QR? QR is simply B vector plus RS, that is simply C vector, is equal to what? QS vector. QS vector. Now in triangle PQS, now in triangle PQS, what we have? We have PQ vector plus QS vector. QS vector is equal to again PS vector. Now we are having PQ, that is simply vector A plus how much is QS? QS is simply vector B plus vector C. Vector B plus vector C is equal to what? PS vector. Now that is second, and we are having here it as a first. From first and second we can say, as it is PS, it is PS. From first and second we can conclude that vector addition is associative in nature. Thus we have read about the properties of vector addition. Tomorrow will be with new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.